Okay, so for problem 1, it's asking for g prime, and g is already given. So I'll show how to do it on the calculator, since you're allowed to use calculator on this problem. For g prime, all you have to do is hit on y equals, plug the equation in of g, I'm plugging x because on calculator it's much easier, but the actual thing is t squared over 18. You hit table set to change the window from 0 to 8, sorry, there, and you plug it into the graph. After you do that, you could just hit second calc, and then hit dy dx, and then hit 5, since you're trying to find the derivative of g prime of 5. So the derivative of g prime of 5 is negative 24.58751. So the explanation of this is that this is the rate of the rate that's already given, and it's decreasing by 24.588 if you round it to the thousandths place. So thousandths place, that means it's tons per hour at t equals 5 hours, and it is the rate of the rate, so it's per hour. Okay, so for B is asking us to find the total amount of unprocessed gravel that arrives at the plant during the operation hours. So since it's asking for the total amount, you would have to do a integral, and the integral would have to be from the operation hours, and the operations hours are from 0 to 8, and it's g of t. So for this, you could just plug into the calculator like this. Math 9, 0 to 8. Variable, we already plugged it into y1. So hit variable function and then y1, and then dx. Forgot to write that. So for B, from 0 to 8, the total amount of unprocessed gravel is 825.551 to the thousandths place would be that. And yeah, it would be tons, since it's just asking for the total amount. And for C is asking us to answer, is the amount of unprocessed gravel at plant increasing or decreasing at t equals 5 hours. Okay, so that means that it's asking us to see if g of 5 is less than 100 or greater than 100, since the plant processed gravel at a constant rate of 100 tons per hour already. So all you have to do is just g of 5. So for that, you just use the calculator. So 90 plus 45 cosine cosine 5 squared, plug in t for 5, 18, and you would get 98.141. So this means that it is decreasing, since it is less than 100 the tons per hour already. So 98.141 is less than 100, meaning that at t equals 5, the rate at which unprocessed gravel is arriving is less than it is being processed. So that means that at t equals 5, the amount of unprocessed gravel at the plant is decreasing by this number. That's the explanation for the answer for this.